made.
Okay. Cool little Peterbilt.
Yeah.
And the whole car looks a bit sadistic.
It reminds me of the truck in that movie Duel, where that Peterbilt was chasing that Plymouth Valiant.
Oh yeah, yeah.
When Larry went off the deep end during the divorce, it kind of got dumped in Brian's lap.
Yeah, it's got a home right there.
That's a
They all smell the same. I mean, that one I work.
Home
Oh,
750.
honey. Oh, honey. Look at it.
I'm married.
That be. I'm looking right past you with that orange and cream one. That was good.
For sale. It's for sale.
Ooh.
It is.
For 68,000. It's a twin stick.
It is our best offer. Trade him my low boy. I mean, Farmer's Almanac is calling for a lot of snow. It's got a snowblower. It's only a 40-year-old snowblower, but it still works, I think.
I think so too. Piece of meat?
Oh, yeah.
Tell the viewers about the meat.
Alright, guys, so this meat right here, it's a life changer.
Where's it from?
Maplehoff.
Ain't that the place that makes you chocolate milk?
Yeah.
Mm. You should marry one of the daughters or something.
I know.
I can make you the chocolate milk and the meat.
Looks like mint chocolate chip.
They're like this.
My mom says that looks like mint chocolate chip. Oh, Ford 9000.
Cool.
Some of my best videos on my channel are Ford 9000s.
Yeah, yeah.
I said it. I said, good luck with that. Trying to drive. I already told him that thing.
You have a fancy camera like that? That's what you need, because you almost have to invest in. If you want to get an audience, you almost have to invest in some good hardware, though. Yeah, that's true. Nobody wants to watch
Another old
like,
record also.
shaking and sound is coming and going, like, in the moment, and then keep the sound up, turn it down, turn it up, because, you know, like, if your mic's coming and going, it makes you stop watching very quickly. Yeah, I don't know.
Holy crap, that's beautiful.
Did you do that? Got a red pack on those? Oh, yeah.
And this one, and this used
Well, they lived in it for 4 years.
to be
Second load,
That's beautiful. Audit car?
Just as top.
Old cat dump truck up there looks cool.
Nice camera.
Be like a nap.
No, I'm going pee. It's a truck.
Okay.
Oh, GNC top kick?
Oh, excuse us, pardon.
My favorite truck's over there, Alan.
Oh, man.
Next round.
The four-door one?
The four-door Mack.
That I brought the check, right?
Yeah, it's in my hand.
Okay.
You go seal the deal, okay?
Okay. They only say not for sale. There's the slow coat.
Oh, it's
Slow
that
coke is
kind
right
of-
there, yeah.
Tell them about that truck, Alan.
This truck has been everywhere. It's been at the Marmon show. It was at Lanita.
Didn't it race at the Buck?
The buck too.
Yeah. They're just taking cool to the next level. With the chromey homey wheels though.
All right.
That's what throws it off and makes it look so cool.
They need to be a little dirty, less chromy.
No,
Oh,
no, chromier.
Oh, chromier.
That's what like throws it off, you know, like
Oh, okay.
like oh, it would have came with like old Bud wheels.
Oh, like these.
Yeah,
Okay.
and you know, just chrome wheels kind of throw it off and make it look good. Cause I've been everywhere, man. Across the river there, man. Rocky Top, Mississippi, South Tennessee. I've been everywhere.
Automatic.
Yeah. I know all the front end loaders and rear
I saw one of those at a rod run back in York years and years ago, and I said, man, I've always wanted one of them cars. Well, I sold 5 truck projects. Just people come to me and wanted things. I sold one guy 2 different cars. And I had
Green. There were a lot of this. They had like their whole fleet at McCungy. B30 Mack. Oh, first gen Dodge. Short bed truck. So that probably got a 318 in it or something. We knew we were at the right place when cause it said we were, it said we arrived like a couple addresses down, and it wasn't here. And we heard a Detroit revving up, and we knew where to come. Mack Superliner. There is a bee right on my face. Trying to keep cool. Yo, an old Power Wagon 150. Get bee. Sidewinder. What grill is this? What year grill is it? That is, I believe, the 78 grill. I have a 74 W200, I believe they are. A W200. And I'm looking for a step-side bed for it. The bed that's on it now, something my dad made up when he was younger, when he got it. The Sidewinder. Yep, same interior as mine. Except that one got bucket seats. Mine's got practically just springs in it now. It had a bench seat, not no more. It's a 79, so I believe they shared the 2 same grills. This is my dad's favorite truck. 4-door Mack. Okay. With the Cummins in it. Yeah, he likes this. I see something down here I noticed. A doodlebug. 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 Doodlebug's got a straight axle in the front with the carriage front end. So they were kind of like a Model T of tractors, because they ran the same motor, same front end style, except they were kind of more of a tractor. They're really cool though. 1755 cock shut. The Power Wagon is sweet.
The Power Wagon is anyway. Check it out right now.
I know, I want it. You take the Mack, I'll take the Power Wagon. Side. Dad, here's the mini Peterbilt. Looks like you got another one. Oh, that's cool. Wow, look at the trailer on this thing.
No, you get inside.
Cook's Camp. My golly. I bet that would cost some money to do. Shoot-wee. That's a really clean truck. Mom.
They got it lifted up over there.
Mom, look at the trailer.
Yeah, I will. Oh, they just lifted.
Yeah, I know. I already seen it lifted up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You seen this one at the Lanita, or not the Lanita, the Mormon show. Not this one though.
It's not done. I was going to sell it to somebody and they told me to stop making it because they were worried about liability. So I stopped and kind of killed it.
Oh, what, the trailer for this?
This got a differential in it.
Yeah, I started, that was, originally that was going to be a company truck. And I made a trailer, a feed trailer, a big bulk feed trailer. Because it was a truck that I liked to see on the road. And I got to the point where I needed to put their logo on it. And I contacted them and all the big honchos from the corporate office came out to my house. And they told me to just cease and desist because of liability. They didn't want their name out. So I stopped. If I were to drive this in a parade and it would break down or run into somebody, their name.
Oh, their name is on it. I see what you're saying. Okay. Okay.
Hey, buddy, I saw your video.
Yeah.
Crazy. Those things are crazy.
And you put everything together, frame rails.
Yep.
Wow.
Yes, sir. And the trailers and.
Here's a hot running pulling truck.
Pretty cool seeing it pulling a regular trailer, huh?
Yeah,
It's normally pulling a decision maker.
it's for sale. Oh,
Make offer.
the trailer's for sale.
Trailer, not the truck.
Old Slick's not selling his truck.
What?
Slick. Macy and Slick. The names on the truck.
Max Thermodin.
That's different. That's
Yeah, I know this truck. I think I have videos of it.
No, and
Oh, truck.
I originally had my insurance.
I know this truck from somewhere.
Look, he's got the oh no flag is down.
Oh, the insurance,
Mack? Yeah, it would.
We'd have to make it a different color.
No, I like the yellow.
It doesn't match anything though.
Yeah,
We
and
would have the whole rainbow.
I never knew Mack made like mid-sized trucks like this.
And it's got a PCO on it. It's that big. With stages, and it's probably that big around. We've done it 3 times.
It's got a little Briggs & Stratton up there on the reefer. Probably like a 3-horse.
And we asked the old man, we said, where are you buying these clutches? Oh, it's for He said, I got it. Well, see, they need it. They need the extra cooling. See, I had to keep them on.